Hello student, today we are going to discuss the first numerical of most probable number. Question is given as out of 5. It means that out of 5 test tubes for 100 ml dilution, the positive result is given as 3 and negative is given as 2. For 10 ml, positive is 3, negative is 2. For 1 ml, 2 is positive set and 3 is negative set. For 0.1 ml, 4 will be positive and 1 will be negative, and for 0.01 ml, positive will be 2 and the negative will be 3. Now question had been asked that the ambient of the water sample will be. Now we need to find the ambient of the water sample, for which the McHardy's value is given as for 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml combination. For positive set 334, ambient value will be given as 30. For 344, 540. For 332, 500. For 324, 48, and for 242, 6. Now we will see one by one each and every step how can we solve this numerical. Clear? Now for solving this numerical, we will take one by one each and every positive set value. For the first set we will take 332 positive set. For the next we will take 324 positive set, and for the last one, that is, we will take 242 positive set. Okay. Now for 332 combination, for 332 positive set combination, what will be the dilution ratio given? What will be the dilution ratio given? The dilution ratio for 332 positive set is 100 ml, 10 ml and 1 ml. So its dilution ratio is 100 ml, 10 ml and 1 ml. Now we can read the value for this positive set, that is 332, and its ambient value will be given as 500. So we just write here as ambient equals to 500. But McHardy had given the ambient value for 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml dilution ratio, and we have 100 ml, 10 ml and 1 ml dilution ratio. So how many times our dilution ratio is more? Our dilution ratio is 10 times more than the dilution ratio of McHardy. So we need to divide this value by 10. Okay, then the ambient value comes out as 50. That is the ambient value for 332 positive set combination. Now we will take the next positive set, that is 324. For 3 to 4 positive set, for 3 to 4 positive set combination, what will be the dilution ratio? Its dilution ratio is same, that is 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml. That will be the dilution ratio which is used by the McHardy also, that is 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml. So for this positive set, we will read the ambient value from the McHardy chart, that is for 3 to 4 the ambient value will be given as 48. So we write here as ambient equals to 48. Now we don't need to convert this value because here the dilution ratio is same as that of the McHardy's chart. Okay. Now for the next positive set, that is for the 242 positive set, for 242 positive set combination, what will be the dilution ratio? The dilution ratio is given as 1 ml, 0.1 ml and 0.01 ml. That will be the dilution ratio for positive set combination 242. Okay, now ambient value will be given as, in the McHardy chart, the positive value or the ambient value for the positive set is given as 6. For 242 the ambient value will be given as 6. So ambient value we write here as 6. Now the positive set 242, the dilution ratio is 1 ml, 0.1 ml and 0.01 ml, but the McHardy chart is prepared for the dilution ratio of 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml. So how many times our sample is less dilution ratio as compared to the McHardy chart? It will be 10 times less than the McHardy's dilution ratio. So we need to multiply here with 10. So we get the ambient value as 60. Now out of these three values, what will be the ambient value for this water sample? It will be the maximum of these three values, that is 50, 48 and 60. Now in these three values, which value is maximum? That is the 60. So ambient value will be 60, which means that 60 coliform colonies per 100 ml. I hope that it is clear to all. That is how can we determine the ambient by taking the positive set and comparing it with McHardy chart, and we just read the McHardy's chart value. That will be the ambient value. Now we convert it according to the dilution ratio. If the dilution ratio is 10 times less as in our first set, then we need to sorry, if the dilution ratio is 10 times more as in our first set, then we need to divide the ambient value by 10. And if the dilution ratio is less than 10 times, then we need to multiply the ambient value by 10, and we get the ambient value as 60 and 50. And for the second set, that is for 3 to 4 positive set, the dilution ratio is same as that of the McHardy's chart, so we directly take the value as 48. Now ambient value will be the maximum of these three values, that is 50, 48 and 60. Now in these three values, 60 is the maximum value, so ambient will be equals to 60, which is a 60 coliform colonies per 100 ml. That will be the solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.